Hey guys, today I'm working with a Whirlpool Gold Series refrigerator. Refrigerator on top, pull-out freezer on the bottom with an ice maker. It's 22 cubic feet. It's in like new condition. And I'm just going to show you real quick. I've got it plugged in. I've got the water hooked up to it so you can see everything's working perfectly on it. And I put a couple of thermometers in there, so if you can see that, it looks like it's right at about 32 degrees, maybe about 33, and that's because I've got these on full blast here. So this is the coldest setting you can put it on. I do that and let it run for 3 or 4 days just to be sure that everything's working perfect on it. Of course, the recommended I think is only 4, so you can see you can go up pretty cold on the refrigerator. Otherwise you'd put that at 4, and let's see, the freezer, I guess, would also be set at a 4, but for now I'm just going to leave everything on full blast. And if I can, I'll leave these plugged in so when you get here to pick up, or if you're having it dropped off, you can see that everything works perfect on it. And obviously put your hand in here, it's freezing cold, but there again, like new condition. All the shelves are in perfect shape, drawers, everything works perfect on it. Over here we've got several shelves, and they call these the spill proof kind. Then you've got your whatever you want to put up there. And down here, freezer, let me pull that out. You can see that's sitting right at about 15 degrees there. We've already got a load of ice that's dumped, and there's your ice maker. It's on, and like I said, I got the water hooked up. So first couple batches here, you want to pitch the first couple batches, and then you'll be good to go, and it fills up pretty fast. You can see nice and clean. You've got 2 bins, tons of space here to work with. This is adjustable, and I think this is adjustable also. So there you go. You can see everything works good. You can see everything's nice and clean. Check out the pictures for a little more detail on the sides and all that. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks. Have a great day.